So today, I'll be showing you how to enable VRR on monitor. So first, open Settings or Windows I, and then click or tap on System on the left side and then click tap on Display on the right side. Next, tap on Graphics on the right side, and then click on Advanced Graphics Settings to expand it. And then turn on or off default variable refresh rate for what you want, and then you can now close settings if you like to. Or the option 2 is open registry editor and then navigate to the key below in the left pane of registry editor. And then in the right pane of the user GPU preference key, double click on the direct X user global settings string value in the right pane to modify it. And then do the step 5 or step 6 below for what you want, which is change the value of only VRR optimize enabled to 1 and then tap OK. And then change the value of only VRR optimize enabled to 0 and then tap OK. And now, you can now close Registry Editor if you like to. And that's how you enable VRR on your monitor.